Good evening, students. How are you all? So, we can start a new topic today, that is multiplication of a 3-digit number by a 2-digit number with carrying over. This is also same as the one you have learned in previous classes. Multiplication of a 2-digit number by a 2-digit number. Okay, so here we have two numbers. We have to multiply this. I hope everyone has learned the multiplication tables. So if you learned multiplication tables, multiplication of digits will be easy for you. Okay, so here we have 285 into 27. So this is a 3-digit number. See, 1, 2, 3. So it is called a 3-digit number. And 27, it is a 2-digit number because it has only 2 digits, that is 1, 2. Okay, so multiplication of a 3-digit number by a 2-digit number. So this is the 3-digit number and this is the 2-digit number. So you have to multiply this now. Okay, so here we have 7 into 5. So what we have to do is we have to multiply this first. Okay, and then we have to multiply like this. And then again 7 we have to multiply with 2. So now you can see 7 into 5. 7 into 5. What is the multiplication table of 7? 7 into 1 is equal to 7. 7 into 2 is equal to 14. 7 into 3 is equal to 21. 7 into 4 is equal to 28. 7 into 5 is equal to 35. 7 into 6 is equal to 42. 7 into 5, that is equal to 35. So 5 we have to place here since it is the ones place. See, ones place. Okay, so ones place, this is the tens place. So here we are having to write at ones place. So here we have to write at the ones place. That is from 35 we took 5. So how much is remaining? 3 is remaining. So what we have to do with the 3 is it will be carried to here, tens place. Okay, so 3 is carried. Now the second one is 7 into 8. So what is 7 into 8? 7 into 7 is equal to 49. 7 into 8 is equal to 56. So here we have 56. So what we have to do is we have here 56 and here we have a carry of 3. So you can see here there is 3. So what we have to do is we have to add that carry with 56. Okay, so how much will you be getting? 56 plus 3, 59. So this 59 we have to put here. The 9 we will put here and then remaining 5, that is 5, that will be carried over here. Okay, so 9 will be placing it here and then 1 5, that is the 5 which is here, we will be carrying it to the hundreds place. Okay, so next is 7 into 2. 7 into 2. What is 7 into 2? 7 into 2 is equal to 14. So 5 we have remaining here. So what we have to do, that is 14 plus 5 is equal to 19. So this 19 we have to write here. Everyone is clear? We have to multiply 7 first with 5, then we have to multiply it with 8, and then we have to multiply it with 2, and we will get the result this much. Okay, now for the second one. Second one is 2. So similarly, like the first one, first we will be multiplying 2 with 5. Okay, 2 with 5. So how much is 2? 5s are 2 into 5. 2 into 5 is 10. So we'll write the 0 here and 1 will be carry. Okay, 1 will be carry. So 2 5s are 10. 0 we put it here and 1 will be carry. Then again 2 into 8. 2 into 8. 2 8s are 16. So 16 plus carry. We have carry here, right? So 16 plus 1 is equal to 16 plus 1. How much is it? 17. So 17. From that 17, one digit will be taking, that is 7. Okay, and the one which is remaining will be carried forward here. So now the last one, 2 into 2. We have to multiply 2 into 2. 2 into 2, how much is it? Yes, 4. So we get 4 plus 1. 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. So we get 570 in total. Okay. Now you have to remember one thing. Since 27 is a 2-digit number and you are multiplying it with a 3-digit number, 7's place, when you multiply it, you have to start from here. Okay, at the ones place. But when it comes to 2, here 2 is at the tens place. See, 2 is at the tens place. So you can't start from here. Okay, so before that 10's place, 1's place is missing. So for that you have to add a 0 here. Okay, since it is starting from a since it is 2-digit number, we have to put a 0 here. Okay, so when you multiply from the second digit, you can write from the second column. See, this column. Okay, and the tens place 0 will be filled. Now we have to add this. We have to add the 2. So 5 plus 0 is equal to 5. 9 plus 0, 9. 9 plus 7, 16. So 16 plus 1 is carry. Okay, 1 will place here, or you can put it here. So it will be better for your understanding. 5 plus 1, 6 plus 1. So 7. So the answer is 7,695. Okay, hope you understood. I'll explain it one more time. When you have a 3-digit number and a 2-digit number, you have to first multiply each digit. Okay, when it is in the tens place, you have to multiply with all the 3 digits. Then again from the 2 digits place, you have to multiply all the other 3 digits. So when you multiply, you will be getting the answer. and then you have to remember that since 2 is at the tens place, you must put a 0 here. Okay, since it is a 2 place, since it is in 2's place, you have to place a 0 here, and then the last one you can add. So 5 and 0 you can add. So when you add it, you will get the result of the multiplication. So this is your answer. Students, you can take page number 142. Okay, so this is the next example. Multiply 363 by 19. So similarly, like the first one which I did in a paper, you can see in this book. Okay, so the first thing which they are doing is we multiply 9 into 3. 9 3s are 27. So 7 here, 2 carry. Okay, 2 will be carry. Then again 6 9s are 54. 54 plus 2, 55, 56. So 6 will come here, 5 will be carry. Then again 9 3s are 27. 27 plus 5, 32. Okay, so here 32. Okay, and similarly for the second line, 1 3s are 3. So what I told you here, since it is a 2-digit number, you have to add 0. Okay, we are multiplying with the second digit, so the first place is empty for that. So we have to add 0. Then again 1 6 are 6. So here 6. Then 1 3s are 3. So 3. Okay, then we have to add it. So when we add it, 7, 6 plus 3 9, 2 plus 6 8, 3 plus 3 6. So we got the answer. Now we'll be doing the exercise. Okay, let's practice multiply. You have to write this in your textbook. You have to solve it and you have to write it in your textbook. Okay, so here I have written down the question into my notebook. So 1 into 2 2, 1 into 3 3, 1 into 4 4. Okay, then 2 2s are 4, here 0. Okay, then 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8. So what I have to do now? Add it. 2 3 plus 4 7, 6 plus 4 10. So 1 is carry, 9. So this is the answer. Okay, here 7 7s are 49. So 4 is carry. Okay, then 7 2s are 14. 14 plus 4 18. 7 3s are 21. Then 1 7s are 7. You have to add 0 here. Okay, since it is in the ones place. Then 1 2s are 2, 1 3s are 3. Okay, then you have to add it. 9, 7 plus 8 15. So 1 is again carry. 2 plus 1 3 plus 1 4. 3 plus 2 5. So this is your answer. Okay, then the remaining 3 4 5 6 7 and 8 you can do as your practice. Okay, I have done 2. The remaining which is in the book you can do for your practice.